Hello, good morning, dear my students. Today we are going to start the topic the Hindu newspaper. So today newspaper is the very important in civil service examinations. So we are going to the next topic. First we know that custom duty was the vaccines oxygen wanted in the 3 months. So related to the equipment of the traveling by oxygen also expanded from these cases. Cases it is a very important by the oxygen in the government in the COVID-19. That's why the 20 people died in the overnight due to the oxygen crisis in the New Delhi hospital. New Delhi hospitals related to the 20 people in the died due to oxygen. So government responsibility and other section persons so also responsibility. Next, will hang anyone objecting oxygen supply wherein Delhi Supreme Court, Delhi High Court. This news is this importance and this PP2. So 334 requirement to the bodies recovery by the after available by this Uttarakhand. And then the access by kin costed structure in this Bihar. State fencing accurate shortage of oxygen. Positivity rate extended by 50% in Odisha district. That's why dear students, unreliable by the information on the Delhi government website of addressing to the web of family patients. Finally, patients are due to the COVID-19. Many of these conducted by the number of hospital on the share of itself. Cities news related to this COVID pandemic increase the India in people's number of peoples. Thereafter, city hang between hope and despair due to the oxygen helpless. This member of the family after this COVID-19 patient with outside emergency wing of the hospitals. Hospitals continue by to gap for the oxygen, many reduced by bed. Nodal officer not reporting to calls they complain. But recently Delhi High Court said that if you any officer if you are not accepted the emergency call, then after inform to me. So let's next news. Kejriwal wear to other state. CMs requesting to oxygen supply enter city to show Saverian that center help becoming the indicates request this Arvind Kejriwal, other chief ministers. Burning pairs to a refuge of the joy in Noida ground. Here mentioned by the hopping over this last week have to left. So worker with no option, but they still put up permissions. And the COVID-19, every ambulance, city to full systematic to this faculty the admit news. Their students capital record of the highest number of the COVID-19 death in this case crossed 1 million gulped billions. Policemen performed the last rate by the victim who was away from kin. Finally, expressed by the inability to come to Delhi to receive by body. So Delhi police assisted by this performed to this ready to the present of this COVID-19 and family related to the very helpful. This is new. This news is the not related to this civil service examinations. And then Teachers Union Salam Jawaharlal Nehru University Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru University Award Care Center. So response team set up say university. Chhattisgarh COVID faculty resume in so this news is not related to the civil service, but you know that you read the society and let me finish the south direction. In South State Telangana, to offer the vaccine to free to all. Karnataka to consider of the free universal bio vaccine of the arrows on Monday. Kerala to enable to the better than the home and the Saturday any types of the people and home quarantine in the Karnataka and vaccination access on the Monday. Southern state by the continue to grapple with COVID-19 infections in the Kerala. 7 new recorded in this daily case by number in the 7 days. This said that Kerala state the new 7 recorded in the COVID-19 patient in case the 7 days. That's why. So next news is the cover this north direction. Rajasthan biggest by the COVID-19 care center operational from today. 5,000 bed faculty has been established to the villa. So this line, dear students, Rajasthan COVID-19 center faculty this new hospital and the 5,000 bed and provide this new hospital create in the Rajasthan capital in Jaipur Development Authority, JDA. Some state right now increase the COVID-19 hospital, increase the emergency landing 5,000 bed, 1,000 bed, 2,500 bed, increase the ability to show the state capacity and financial allowed, then after control the central. That's why the dear student, I'm talk about the Uttar Pradesh. Size of the property of those spending the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister said that no oxygen stockage in my COVID hospital. My COVID hospital is not shortage. Oxygen in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister said that I have a stockage oxygen, but some states no oxygen stockage in the any COVID hospitals, like increase the Maharashtra, Delhi, etc. Therefore, actually, this said that situation is the control. News polling to for Bengal district tomorrow. 200 candidates are conducting the 34 assembly seats, including by for Kolkata in the seventh phase. Seventh phase in the election by the Kolkata. Dry overnight in due to oxygen. So, dear my students, you know that new Justice of N.V. Ramana, Chief Justice of India, in oath by President Ramnath Kovind, administrating the oath of office, Justice of N.V. Ramana. Rajnath, Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi, Saturday, 48th Chief Justice of India in the oath, Saturday, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Chief Justice N.V. Ramana is the will be tenure of the title over 1 year. 20 August, 22 August, 26 August 2022, related to the available the post Chief Justice of India. This news is the importance for this civil service examination paper 2 in mains and current affair. And then a scope task force set up to this custom and this Jammu and Kashmir Jammu and Kashmir party's approval by the lieutenant by governor related to this to abdicate by ONG worker of this recruit in Nagaland. So be related to this hostage of this ULFA 1 in the security force operation on this Saturday. (34) 384 recorded, 10 bodies found after India report in 2,797 new fatalities in the COVID-19. So country added the 3.48 lakh COVID-19 infection. Maharashtra see the 67.160 cases. And this state of asked to the set up the more vaccine center. Center must be held accountable by Congress. Party leader target government so stockage of oxygen. Due to say the House panel had flash issue in November. UP Uttar Pradesh hospital struggling by with respiratory oxygen supply. Ensure free vaccine to all. Issue to PM. China imposed reaction on nation returned from India. Review of conspiracy of the anti-Bharat force RSS worm. Global response to Indians' call of help. Syro oxide oxygen tank airlift to the Singapore, USC, Russia and Saudi Arabia sending the supplies. US trade body presses by the Biden government to the assist with India. Number of the safe from the pandemic still bites are all safe. And then UK variant by more prevent by this North America and North India. Super speeder event to Punjab. Applied to the infection must strain say export. 93,000 railway staff infected due to COVID-19. People without ration of the card left to COVID-19 food safety net related to this country. So dear student, I'm talk about the international news. It is a very important by civil service examination. when students are optional paper political science and then after improvement. So civil service examination mains paper 2 general knowledge, the important by international relations and national relations. It is a very important the topic. So today right now in India it is a difficult struggle in the due to COVID pandemic. ASEAN leader to Janta to end killing. So they call the dialogues between the connecting to the parties in Myanmar with the added of these politic issues. This news is important. And missing by submarine tank, killing by 53 aboard in the Indonesia. Indonesia, indicated by the crack, gradually I went to the drone navy. So you can control this paper 2, optional paper and mains paper 2. It is very important this topic and current affair this cover. India recall by second score, vessel first one of the score. No, this news is not related to the civil service. Definitely Tokyo to recognize American to Jane code by 1915. So Donald Liu package top of the South Asia, Central Asia and job. MP held over Sri Lanka East attract. Rising vibe arrested under the PTA of the alleged to link it in the suicide of the bombers related to the Israel Jake and strictly Gaza in the response to the rocket slips. China came arrested by the defiance. This news is important. So let me next topic the cover science and technology. Dear students, you are preparing for the civil service English medium. Then after science and technology, 1 year need for the complete paper theory. India may have 10 lakh cases in the day to end mandate. That's why old SPLEX capable by deliver in new cases by expansion. Groundwater depletion may reduce winter cropping and sighting by 20 in this Indian policy was to grow in this crop related to 20%. This new technology in the development for India this news Jab for all adults amid the second wave, which states are not very to hit in the supply chain in the place to provide the required dose. This due to COVID pandemic. Reform in the national response system. We are the measure of the challenge. Bring proposed to the NPS, National Pension System, and why it is the government talking to about rules. Thank you.